Hello, Kuki people. Nadam Namo Sepai Kalemove. Welcome back, everyone. So today we have one suggested music video by the title INAM DOUGAL, official music video. Sasang Kuki and Ngaiching Lily Kuki also, guys. Official music video. Thank you for suggesting, guys. Make sure to check more of my other music video reaction, guys. I love you all and wishing you all the best, peace and justice, guys. Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned, and let's check this. INAM DOUGAL. What does it mean by INAM DOUGAL? Video sponsor. Producer is here. Audio sponsor. Cast lyrics. Okay. Videographer. Welcome to Kukiland. King me.
As tinoy pakit ne.
Pa. Inong me pa.
Hello?
Li, to ni pong kadvele kasi ni mo na sunong na. Ipi milong silo dana na. Kung tayo na.
Naza ataha atula.
Kay kung po tilo tiya, kinkana ko mo ito. Ako ay tayo ole.
Ipi ka nga hepa. Kikiyat hadi sing.
Wow. She looks so beautiful. They look so good, both of them. The guy also looks so handsome, guys. They look both amazing, the actors. They are always ready with their machine and guns, with the weapon. The soldier is never off duty here, even if it is a lifetime. She's good also in acting. After 1 month of marriage, oh, they got married. Congrats, nice. Oh, I love their traditional dress. Where are they forgetting? Okay, the priest is here, the pastor. They're praying for them. That is very nice thing, putting God first. Don't play with the gun, lady. Wow, see the beautiful place. Where is this place, guy? How do you call it? Looks so nice. They have one church there also. That's amazing drone view. Namsepia, Hinkho, Kuki Namsepia. Oh, action time. She's worried because his husband went for a mission.
Gam sung thu bồi hen lăng yan na ding tam zong le lung ra lo vin pang sing hiti na go gen thi ban na dia.
Oh my gosh, is she dreaming? She's not really, yeah, you have to pray. She's so worried. Don't worry, he will be back. He's a great man. He's protecting your land, he's protecting your family. Wow, what amazing, amazing, guys. This is so beautiful to watch. This is so inspiring also, guys. And you know, this is really what is going on, and this is what happening based on the true story, whereby Kuki people now, they are doing their best. They are fighting for their land, guys. Yeah, I really saw a lot of music video which has the same similarity, whereby the people, especially the men, they have to volunteer, they have to leave their family, the kids, and they have to go for a mission, they have to go for a fight to protect their land, their family also, guys, which is really so sadful at this time. And you know, the worries you will be having as a man, you have a family, you have a wife, you have a kid, but you are not there with them, so you are out for a mission, you don't know whether you will come back or not, which is really something hard, guys. And with at this time of modern world, guys, no one really want to see dead, no one really wish to die at this time, because you know, this is a modern world, everyone like want the best for themselves. So we should just pray for the Kuki people, we pray for Manipur, guys, to come for the peace, for the justice for everyone, guys. May they get what they want and to live in their peace, their land, and to have harmony and together again to come back with their family love from Africa, guys. Thank you so much. You can tell me what does it mean by INAM DOUGAL. Love you all. That was really so amazing. Director did really great work. The actor and the actress, they really also look so amazing, beautiful, guys. All the team, they just made the work look professional. And God is watching you all, guys. God bless you all. Love from Africa. Till next time.